Welcome to another video. Today we want to solve for the value of x in this typical logarithmic equation. An amazing equation in that the bases are different. So I'm going to take you through step by step until you find the final value of x. So if you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and turn your notification on. Let us dive into the solution and see how we're going to find the value of x for this type of equation. The base is 3, log x to the base 3, plus the log of x to the base of 5 is equals to 2. So the first step that I'm going to take, I'm going to use the relationship of the log of a divided by the log of b. This can be separated as the log of a to the base of b. So meaning that I'm going to write log x base 3 as log x over the log of 3 plus again log x to the base of log 5 should give me 2. Next step, I have log x and I have log x. I can factor it out. I can factor out the log of x so that I'm going to get log of x outside. Inside I'm going to get 1 over the log of 3 plus 1 over the log of 5 is equals to 2. So I'm going to solve what is inside the bracket. I know that 1 plus the log of 3 over 1 over the log of 5 can be simply be written as a single fraction. So it's going to be the log of 3 multiplied by the log of 5. And then this goes there, the log of 5 times 1, the log of 5 plus log of 5 goes there, log of 3 times 1. That is what I'm going to get. So when I simplify this and write it as a single fraction, this is what I get. And you also need to recall that wherever you have the log of a plus the log of b, this can be written as the log of a multiplied by b. So taking this approach and applying it there, the numerator shall be, so let me start with the log of x. So the log of x, in bracket, the numerator, I'm going to multiply the log of 5 times 3 using this relationship. Everything over the log of 3 multiplied by the log of 5 should give me 2. Of course, when you multiply 5 times 3, I'm going to end up with the log of x, in bracket, the log of 15 divided by the log of 3 multiplied by the log of 5 should give me 2. So next step, I want to remain with the log x on this side. So that means I'm going to take the reciprocal of this on the other side, so that I have the log of x is equals to 2 multiplied by the reciprocal of this log of 3 multiplied by the log 5 over the log of 15, so that on my left hand side I remain with the log of x is equals to that. Remember, it was having a bracket, so this you're gonna opening the bracket, I'm gonna get the log of x is equals to, I'm gonna get 2 multiplied by the log of 3 multiplied by the log of 5, everything divided by the log of 15. So at this stage, I'm gonna solve this particular equation using two approaches. The first way, I'm gonna take as the log of x, I'm gonna divide this by log of 3 is equals to 2 to the log of 5 over the log of 15. I've just taken this, I've divided it across, and that is what I get. Recall that when you have the log of a over the log of b, this is the same as taking the log of a and the base becomes b. I'm going to apply that here so that I get log of x to the base 3 is equals to 2 to the log of 5 to the base of 15. So well, you also need to recall that wherever you have the log of a to the base of b is equals to c, then this is logarithm notation. I'm going to change it to index notation as b to the power of c is equals to a. So that is what I'm going to use. So applying it here, I'm going to get 3 to the power of the all of this is equals to x. So guys, if you're still watching us, kindly remember to like this video, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. So when I take this 3 raised to 2, I'm going to use 9 so that I get 9 to the log of 5 base 15 is equals to x. So this is the value of x for the required logarithmic equation. This can be simplified using a scientific calculator. When you punch 9 to the log of 5 to the base of 15, you get a value that is approximate to 3.69081021778, which can be roughly written to 4 significant figures as 3.691 as our value for the x. Another second method that I can use to get the value of x, I'm going to take the log of x divided by the log of 5 should be equals to 2 to the log of 3 over the log of 15. Of course, applying this law, changing it from the log notation, this is the same as the log of x to the base of 5 is equals to 2 to the log of 3 to the base of 15. Changing this from log notation to index notation, I'm going to get 5 to the power of this 2 to the log of 3 base 15 should be equals to x as our second required value that is giving us the same answer as the first one. 3.691. Of course, punching it in our scientific calculator, 5 raised to 2 to the log of 3 base 15. Of course, 5 raised to 2, I'm going to get 25 raised to the log of 3 base 15 is equals to x. Hope you're able to see it clearly. When you square 5 squared, you get 25 to the log of 3 base 15, which when I punch it again in my scientific calculator, I'm going to get an approximate value of 3.691 as the answer that is required for this typical logarithm equation, where we are told that the log of x to the base 3 plus the log of x to the base 5 is equals to 2, and you realize that the bases were not same. So I've just taken you through step by step up to the final stage, and we have come to the end of this tutorial. So kindly remember to leave a comment, like this video, share it, and most importantly subscribe. Until we meet again in the next video, goodbye for now.